out here to the east side, Tucson, Arizona. We got Brock, we got Austin. Austin's trying to get into this jump right now. First hit. Spot's pretty sick. I've been recovering from an AC separation in my shoulder from wadding it. I'm not even gonna show you my sweaty self right now. Not worth it. Let's just look at this fresh gear, way better, and we'll have a conversation. Pretty much been on the TLC trying to get the shoulder back. Got a nice knot. We came over to Suhei's spot today, boy. Yeah, dude. No dig, no ride out here, bud.
That's right, baby. You gotta get after it.
You've been putting the work out here, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Good to see you.
Fuck yeah. Someone's gotta do it. Can't just be one person.
Dude, it's the Arizona vibe, bro.
Yes, sir.
Imagine there'll be more out here.
Soon.
Yes.
Soon.
Yes.
There'll be a bigger one.
Yeah. No, yeah. I'd like it. I'd like that.
I know you would. I'm cool with this, dude. This
as long as I like the jumps the bike just sits in and you just rock it off of
yeah.
them.
Yeah, this one needs a little more.
It's all right, dude.
But I mean,
it gets
works.
people outside and gets them jumping, dude. And then it stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. That stuff all comes when you're ready for it.
Perfect.
Yeah, bud, first D. Tell me we're not in Arizona right now. Where else do you think we're at?
There's only one place this is, dude.
The lighting, the bushes, cactus. Yeah!
Damn, a little more dip, dude. On the double. Yeah.
Doing a little digging today. Getting the jump primo. We got a little bit of grass. Feeling better. Yeah. The dog, Toby. Look at you, Toby. Look at you, Toby. He's special. He's special. He's special. He's special. Oh, there he goes. Toby. Come on, Toby. Come on, Toby. Oh, jeez. Where's he going? Psycho. Yes. The man of the hour ready to get after it. Morning. Look at that. Look at that. Pro dirt.
Pro dirt.
Moving earth today. We're gonna clean up the runway. It was getting a little loose. Bunny hop down. So we're gonna smooth out the entrance. We're gonna get after some ride time today. Got some greenery out here. So up, dude. Brock's been learning, like, yesterday he did a heart attack. What was it, like, indie running disco?
Maybe a little disco action.
Yeah, I don't know.
That's the new move, disco.
Throw us some tricks if you have any tricks for him to learn. I'm sure he'll learn it.
Disco.
He'll learn it like.
I need to learn them.
Let's get some bike time today. Ripping with the boy today. Just missed the moonshine to the mooners. I know we were just recently talking about redoing this, but we haven't got much of anywhere. So I'm motivated. Motivation's key. Get after it real quick. Hopefully my phone doesn't overheat here, so let me find the angle for the dangle. Yep, digging this right. Morning, Brock, dude.
Yeah! I'm slackered out, dude.
New hoodie gang.
Slackered out.
Go check the shop. Crew.shop, new hoodies.
Slackered out.
Slackered out, dog. You are a slacker.
Slackered
Not really
out.
slacking, though, because you're doing double
slacking.
grabs, dude. It's not really
slacking.
slacking. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, that's fresh, bro.
We're out here, dude. We're out here.
I'm with it.
New tricks today. New trick today. New trick today.
Cliffhangers?
Huh?
Cliffhangers?
Cliffhanger today.
What's up, everybody? As per usual, slacking. Been dealing with my dog. He's had a bit of an injury. Come on. Man, you are just cruising for just getting surgery. Over here. Come on. It's a big day. Getting your stitches out. Took some time and making sure he's coming back. So rolling up to the spot right now. Haven't really been showing up to do the shoveling, so I think they're picking up the slack right now. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, these guys already doing the gig. Nice. it.